What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good evening already and welcome to an update on Sushi, the Sushi token or Sushi swap, whatever you want to call that. But I wanted to cover this today, kind of make an update on that after last analysis because Sushi has been quite bullish. Yesterday we got a big bullish breakout and today has been pretty neutral, but we actually got a nice bullish breakout, right? And today we actually also got some sort of a bullish breakout, so I wanted to cover it again today. Because it's looking quite good for Sushi, to be honest. The problem is, something I would have liked to see is that the market would be a little bit more bullish. Yesterday evening Bitcoin was pretty bullish, but then today we dropped down a little bit lower. If Bitcoin is going to keep dropping down like this, it's going to be harder and harder for Sushi to hit our price targets, which in my opinion are 1.5 and 1.6. Now, if Bitcoin is actually stable, what I think is going to happen is that because we've broken above this 1.4, 1.42 level, I think we're at least going to get up to 1.5, right? At 1.5, we'll find resistance again. It's a strong level. We're going to find resistance, but after that, we'll drop down to 1.42, 1.45 again. And if we can actually stay on top of that after dropping down for 2 more days, then I think we're also going to break above 1.5. Sushi has been very strong. We've already tested that 1.5 level a lot of times, so I think we can actually do that and get to our price target right here between 1.57 and 1.6. To me, that's the most likely scenario, but as I said in the beginning as well, this can only happen if Bitcoin is at least stable. Because if Bitcoin, so it's going to be a little bit hard, but if Bitcoin goes under like 19,000 again, so if Bitcoin drops down to 18,900 for example, I still think Sushi would be able to do something like this, so get up to 1.5 and 1.55 or 1.52, but then because of the market circumstances, I don't think there's enough bullish momentum to push through that. Even though I think Sushi Swap is an amazing decentralized exchange, one of the best ones out there, and technically we're in a big bullish uptrend, obviously, but we also need a little bit of a stronger market, and then if Bitcoin is not at least stable above 19,000, I don't see us breaking 1.5. But I do want to say that I do expect Bitcoin to at least be stable, so I still think this is the most likely scenario, but I do want to warn you for it that it's not necessarily as easy as it seems. Excuse me, I cannot talk. But yeah, and apart from that, I mean, Sushi Swap, I said that we broke above 1.4, 1.42. There's a chance that we'll have a little bit more bearish momentum and that we'll drop down to this level right here at around 1.35, 1.36. That's no problem. To me, it doesn't really change the analysis. We just have a little bit more drawdown, but I wouldn't worry too much about that if that happens. So yeah, that's a quick update, at least from my point of view, on Sushi Swap. No fundamentals covered, but I tried to do a real deep dive into the technicals of Sushi. So for now, that's my analysis. And if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to discuss that, join the Discord. There's always people able to discuss some technical analysis there. But for now, have a great evening. Take care and bye.